Making his directorial debut with Ishqiya, Abhishek Chaubey has directed 4 movies so far, that are Ishqiya, Der Ishqiya, Udta Punjab and Son Chiriya. Though it would seem that as he has directed only 4 movies, he is relatively new to the Bollywood arena, but on the contrary, he has been around for quite a long time. He started his career as an associate director and co-writer to Vishal Bharadwaj in his debut film Makri, which was released in 2002. Since then, Abhishek has assisted him in almost all of his projects, and amongst those, Omkara and Kamine deserve special mention. Hi there, this is Cinema is a Language. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to rank all 4 movies of Abhishek Chaubey from good to the best. But first of all, let's spend a few seconds talking about Abhishek, shall we? He is one of the few modern masters in Hindi cinema who not only has a uniqueness about his work, but they also carry a certain flavor that connects a particular movie with the soil of this land. His storytelling is both dark and unapologetic on the one hand, and funny and endearing to the audience on the other. It is this blend of humor with the dark realities, the innate human nature of the characters with the surrounding evil that resides in our society that sets him apart as a storyteller. Over the years, he has matured into a skillful director and a very prominent name whose movies we should look forward to. So let's rank all of his movies he has directed so far. At number 4 is Der Ishqiya. Der Ishqiya was released in 2014 and probably it is his weakest work till date. Der Ishqiya came as a sequel to his first movie, Ishqiya, that has got all the rave reviews. The story about Khalujan and Babban, 2 con men and their trickery, betrayal and love. Khalu is at the twilight of his life and aims to impress Begum Para in a Shairi competition, the winner of which will not only get the widowed Begum as his wife, but also be called the Nawab of Mazidabad. His partner in crime, Babban, tries to convince him at first to return to their previous line of work, but ultimately he also gets involved in this plan as he finds his love in Munia, Begum Para's beautiful maid. It has all the elements of a great movie, but somehow everything just didn't fall in place. But you can still see glimpses of Abhishek's mastery in the quirky dialogues, authentic language and beautiful Nawabi settings. One of the defining features of Abhishek's work is the authenticity of the different language and dialects that are used in his movies. Der Ishqiya is mostly made in Urdu and the beauty of this language is perfectly captured in this movie. Der Ishqiya has a prominent cast of Nasiruddin Shah, Arshad Warshi, Madhuri Dixit, Huma Qureshi and Vijay Raj, to name only a few, and they gave excellent performances. This was Madhuri's first film after she came back to India, and her acting as well, and as always she was captivating from the very first scene. If you want to see it, Der Ishqiya is available on Amazon Prime Videos. At number 3 is Udta Punjab. Released in 2016, Udta Punjab is Abhishek's most hyped movie. It created a storm before it released for all the wrong reasons. CVFC gave 69 cuts to this movie, but Udta Punjab at last got released with only 1 cut. And with this hype, Udta Punjab is till date Abhishek's highest box office grossing movie. It is a fictional story of 4 characters: a rapper played by Shahid Kapoor, a young girl played by Alia Bhatt, a corrupt police officer played by Diljit Dosanjh, and a doctor, Kareena Kapoor, and how their life got interconnected and got affected by the drug problem prevalent in the region. It is loosely based on and revolves around the drug abuse by the youth population in the Indian state of Punjab and the various conspiracies surrounding it. The movie starts as a few Pakistani youth throws a packet of heroin to India over the fences to be picked up later. Buria, a young girl from Bihar who has the dream of eventually making it to the Indian hockey team, picks it up mistakenly and thus gets involved in the dark world of drugs. On the other end of the spectrum is Tommy Singh, who is a rapper and has a high influence on the youths of Punjab. His energetic lyrics often has references to drug use and glorification of violence. He is successful, however, his drug abuse eventually becomes the reason for his downfall as he loses his contract and lands in a jail. In the neighboring town lives Preet Shahani, a doctor and activist who runs a rehabilitation center. Sartaj Singh is a junior policeman who knows about the drug smuggling his seniors are allowing, but when it affects his family as his brother Balli, overdoses and is brought to Preet's clinic. He realizes the grave situation. Preet and Sartaj decide to find the root cause of the problem together. These four characters start a fight with drug peddlers and also law enforcement as well, as some of them just wanted to leave and some from moral high ground. Anyway, Udta Punjab is that kind of a movie that a very few Indian filmmakers dared to make, but the story needed to be told. Shahid Kapoor and Alia Bhatt's performances will keep you glued to the screen till the last frame. Udta Punjab is available now on Netflix. Ishqiya sits proudly at number 2. Love, revenge, betrayal was the theme of Abhishek Chaube's directorial debut. All of his trademarks were visible in his first movie, which is a black comedy. Written by the legendary Gulzar and music by his frequent collaborator Vishal Bharadwaj, made Ishqiya a poetry in motion. Set in the rustic backdrop of Eastern UP, the story revolves around two small thieves, Khalu Jan and Babban, played brilliantly by Naseeruddin Shah and Arshad Warsi respectively. When they seek refuge in their friend's house, they find Krishna, a widow to whom they both immediately fall in love. This trio went on to plot a plan to get rich quickly. Like all of Abhishek Chaube's movies, here also we don't have any black and white characters. All the characters have their hidden desires and secret agendas. They love, plans to kidnap a wealthy man and betray each other. It is this grey area of all the characters that makes them more human. With the Hindi-Urdu mixed dialect and the crude cuss words, this movie gets its distinct flavor. Also, Ishqiya derived its strength from the powerful performances of all of its cast. Naseeruddin Shah and Arshad Warsi skillfully portrays the dynamic relationship between Khalu Jan and Babban. Vidya Balan is at her powerful best in Ishqiya. Except for the slightly mediocre ending, this movie is a modern masterpiece. You can find Ishqiya on Amazon Prime Videos. Sonchiriya or Sonchiraiya is our number 1 in this list. Released in 2019, Sonchiriya is the best movie I have seen so far in this lockdown. Set in the barren land of Chambal, this is the unique movie focusing on the Baghis or dacoits but talks about redemption. Style-wise, it resembles westerns, but it is thoroughly Indian in its own way. With an ensemble cast of Sushant Singh Rajput, Manoj Vajpayee, Ranveer Shori, Ashutosh Rana, Bhumi Pednekar and so many others, this masterpiece boasts of acting brilliance. This is brilliant in so many ways that in a list like this, we cannot talk enough about Sonchiraiya. Just keep in mind that it does justice to all the departments like music, cinematography, editing, screenplay, acting and obviously direction, as a gang of Baghis embark on their journey to get the metaphorical Sonchiraiya or golden bird. In other words, all of them are seeking salvation and redemption from the crime they have committed in the past. With this, their ongoing conflict with a bloodthirsty cop who wanted to punish all the Baghis not through arrest but through encounter will keep you glued to your seats throughout its runtime. Sonchiraiya remains the best movie of Abhishek Chaube till date and one of the best in the world of cinema. Sonchiraiya is currently streaming on ZEE5. Please write in the comment section whether you agree with our list, and if not, tell us what do you think this list should look like. Also, let us know what do you think about our work in general, and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. We shall be back with a new movie soon. Till then, goodbye and take care.